Tashi Delek, dear friends, the Drumcar celebration is a moment of pause, but it is also a sign of cultural strength, of cohesion, and of hope for the future in dignity, peace, and self-determination. As co-president of the Tibetan Parliamentary Friendship Group in the Swiss Parliament, it is important to me to make it very clear, especially today, that the voices of Tibetans here in Switzerland, in exile, but also in Tibet itself, deserve to be heard, and they deserve support. Unfortunately, Tibet today still stands for an example of state oppression, for the systematic erosion of cultural and religious rights, especially for children and young people. And yet, Tibet also stands for something else, for the unwavering belief in non-violence, dialogue, and humanity, embodied by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. In a world that is characterized in many places by war, injustices, and this demonstrates the power, and it is demonstrated and dominated by the power of authoritarianism, this attitude cannot be taken for granted. Such values are and should actually also be the foundation of Switzerland. Yet this is not enough for our national representatives in the Federal Council to take the time and have the courage to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama. A very arrogant attitude which is riddled with double standards and has in mind more the relations with the PRC and the negotiations on the new FTA than our humanitarian tradition. This celebration is also marked by the latest developments in Tibet. The increasing authoritarian pressure and systematic restrictions on the Tibetan people are an expression of an imperialistic claim to power that must be clearly and unequivocally condemned. As a credible voice of international law, Switzerland must not remain silent when fundamental human rights and cultural identity are suppressed. Switzerland must speak a clear language, and the Parliamentary Group for Tibet will continue to work to ensure that Switzerland will do so in the future. We are therefore all very pleased to be able to travel to Tibet in October this year and hopefully meet His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in person. It will be a journey of solidarity, of listening, and political connection. I promise you, we will maintain in contact with Dharamsala, we will continue to show our presence, and we will not stop making your voices heard in the Federal Parliament. Dear friends of Tibet, I sincerely wish you a joyful Drumcar celebration, strength for the long road you are traveling, and many wonderful moments today with your family and friends. Free Tibet!
制作推民故事发言，莫拉纳利亚乔利亚格金新的学院。